Hello, it's Wednesday the 18th. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. Now, there's no chance of a rate cut at the MPC meeting today. Iran has seen to that. With oil hovering around the $100 a barrel, the MPC will be weighing up the longer term implications. And if Trump can't reopen the Straits of Hormuz, the next move, cover your ears, Rachel Reeves, it could even be a rate hike in a couple of months' time. The higher oil price is already evident on the UK forecourts, and nearly 500 mortgage products have been pulled from the market. Fixed term deals are back over 5% again, so the market will be keen to hear Bailey's chat at his press conference tomorrow. Reeves has been on. Is she feeling the pressure? Desperate times lead to desperate measures and all that, after all. She delivered a speech to the city declaring that Brexit did deep damage to the UK and claimed the GDP impact could be as much as 8%. I mean, steady on. I know inflation is on the up, but 8%, Rachel? Come on. The lack of new ideas, though, it sees the government leaning in to realign with Brussels, choosing to blame Britain's lack of growth on Brexit rather than the harsh tax environment this government has contributed to. But it's not like Europe is the perfect example of economic growth. Even Germany's struggling at the moment, and the UK is growing even faster than Germany right now. So can we expect this, we can expect this government logic, if you can call it that, to come under a bit of attack. Over in the US, we have the Fed meeting today. Powell will want to reassure markets and calm any hint of panic. They will likely keep rates on hold in what is Powell's penultimate meeting before his term ends in May. Rather than winding down quietly and gracefully, he faces the biggest energy crisis since the 1970s. The fact that this was triggered by his nemesis and dear old Donald is still demanding rate cuts at every opportunity, well, that just adds to the subplot, doesn't it? Where inflation may rise back over 4%, a cut now could send that soaring, and that may make things tricky for new Fed Chair Kevin Warsh to keep his rate cut promises to Trump. Place your bets on how long before Trump loses his temper with the new boy. In the market, the dollar index remained under the 100 level and we closed the day around 99.55 yesterday. Sterling opens higher against the dollar this morning, around 133.65. It's a little higher against the euro, around 115.85, and euro dollar is up around 115.05 on the open this morning. Right, that's it from me. Have a great day.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.